Hi, this is Ariane Arsenault, and I have some exciting news today. I'm just finishing up a batch of bath bombs, and yeah, wait for it. I have a new compressor. It's a silent compressor, although it's not completely silent. It is so much less noisy than the one we had previously, and I highly recommend making the switch if you don't have a silent compressor. Anyhow, welcome to my studio. This is Ariane Arsenault, and I am speaking to you from the Magdalene Islands. And I know many of you have been watching our bath bomb making videos. Here, my team and I, we make so many bath bombs, hundreds and hundreds, maybe probably thousands a year. And I get requests about teaching how to make bath bombs on a regular basis. Maybe you're one of the lucky ones who got to attend one of my industry event conferences or workshops, because I've been teaching in person for the HSCG and also the HBBG. One is American and the other one is a Canadian Soap and Cosmetic Guild. So now you will be able to learn with me from the comfort of your home. That's right, I have been working really hard to build an online course that is a pay once, access forever. And don't worry if you don't have a bath bomb press. This course is for beginners all the way to more advanced. The first chapters will cover how to make bath bombs by hand, how to press them using simple molds such as vacuum molds, 3D printed molds. I'm also giving suppliers. You can also use these types of little spherical molds, which are very convenient, a meatballer. So everything in this course is designed so that if you've never made bath bombs before, you will have a blast. And if you have made bath bombs before, you will learn some techniques, some tricks. And I have 2 chapters dedicated to one using the bath bomb press and another one on using the electropress, which is an electric press with no compressor required. So I got you covered. If you have kids and you are crafty, I even have a special chapter with my kids where I make bath bombs and I show you how to make bath bombs with your kids so you can have fun at home and make holiday gifts or etc. So if you would like to learn with me how to make beautiful bath bombs, the link is right down there below. I will put it everywhere I can. So either in the description box below or in a link. So make sure to check it out, and I can't wait to see you there. The course is on Teachable, same as my soap making course, and it has a built-in comment and question section for enrolled students. So I will see you there, hopefully. And if you like the course, please share it with your friends, help me promote it. This is what makes us strong, is when we are a small community of makers and we uplift and help each other. Thank you so much. Have a good day.